Hi guys! Have you ever had the disappointment of not being able to peel a hard-boiled egg cleanly? I will show you how to boil a hard-boiled egg without ever making a mistake when peeling it, and how to make a great flavored ramen egg. I boiled many eggs every day until I found the perfect method. And I ate a lot of eggs every day. I think I ate about 200 eggs in a week. That's a joke. I ate about 100 of them. Boil the eggs just like in this video and you'll have beautiful, perfectly half-cooked eggs. Please give it a try. Point! Crack the egg on the non-sharp side. The non-shaped end of the egg has a cavity. Cracks are made only in that cavity. When making boiled eggs, use slightly older eggs instead of new eggs for a cleaner shell. The reason is that as the eggs age, carbon dioxide is released from them. One of the reasons eggs are difficult to shell is that the carbon dioxide in the egg expands during boiling, causing the white to swell and the thin skin inside the shell to stick tightly to the white. Cracking the eggshell before boiling allows carbon dioxide to escape during the boiling process. However, I tried the method of cracking the shell with freshly purchased eggs, but 2 to 3 out of 10 boiled eggs could not be shelled cleanly. But I can't wait until the eggs get old. I think there are some people who are. To make boiled eggs from freshly purchased eggs, crack the shells and store them in the fridge for a day. By doing so, you can reduce the probability of failure when peeling a soft-boiled egg. However, cracked eggs are more likely to harbor salmonella, which can cause food poisoning if cracked boiled the next day. Heat over high heat. When it boils, the alcohol will evaporate, so light it. Completely skim off the alcohol. Point! Skim off the alcohol completely. Only the flavor and sweetness of sake and mirin can be retained. It is also recommended to make it using dashi instead of sake, as it is delicious. Turn off the heat. It's ready to pickling liquid. Heat water in a large pot over high heat. The amount of hot water should be more than the eggs will soak in. Point! Add eggs and boil for 1 minute and 30 seconds, rolling the eggs. By boiling the egg white rolling it, the yolk is boiled so that it is in the center of the egg, and when it is cut, it has beautiful finish. Point! Eggs are not boiled in water, but in hot water. Boiling from hot water allows you to make the same finished product every time. Then boiling eggs fresh out of the fridge from hot water creates a temperature difference in the egg, which creates a cavity in the thin skin inside the white and shell, making the shell easier to peel. It is said that eggs are easier to shell when boiled in water with salt, vinegar, or baking soda. Each of these has some scientific basis, but after tasting them on a large number of eggs, there was not much difference in the ease of peeling the eggs. In this video, it is boiled without adding anything. Size M, about 58 to 64 gram eggs are recommended. M-size eggs have the best balance of white and yolk, making them suitable for boiled eggs. However, size M here is the Japanese M size. The size weight will vary depending on the country you live in, so use about 58 to 64 gram eggs. Boil for desired amount of time. Personally, I prefer 7.5 or 8 minutes. Point! Immediately cool them in nice water to make peeling easier. The rapid cooking of the shell makes it easier to remove the shell, as the water vapor from the egg is cooled and turned into water, creating a film of water between the shell and the egg. Point! Crack the eggshell. Cracking the eggshell and cooling it allows water to enter through the cracks, making the shell easier to peel. Be conscious of peeling the shell while putting water between the egg and the shell. The shells peeled off nicely. Let's cut. Hint: when cutting a boiled egg, use a thread to cut it cleanly. Let's look at the difference in boiling times. For 6.5, 7, and 7.5 minutes, the yolks are soft-boiled. For 8 minutes, the solid and soft parts of the yolk are about half and half. For 9 or 10 minutes, most of the yolk is set and moist. Do you see how the yolks are not centered on the eggs only at 9 minutes of boiling time? These two are not centered on the yolk because they are not boiled while rolling. Air can be easily removed by submerging the bag in water. If you prefer a stronger flavor, you can marinate it for a day. Let's cut. Looks delicious. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.